Hello my dear students, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Myself Sandeep Adari. Let us understand, is it too late to start preparing for Gate 27 in a detailed way? Now my dear students, before starting this, how Gate will help you to enrich your career? Gate opens the door for public sector companies. It opens the door for M.Tech in IITs. And the most important thing is Gate will also help you to get into product-based companies, because Gate acts as a kind of certification in your profile building or in your resume. Now let us understand, is really 7 months are sufficient to prepare for Gate? Now my dear students, if I validate 7 months, it will be around 210 days. So in these 210 days, if you can prepare 5 to 6 hours a day, and always remember sir, most of the successful students will achieve a better Gate rank only through proper planning. That can be, you have to do formula sheet and you have to do short notes, and at the same time you have to solve all the PYQs. Now if you see here, almost if you calculate 7 months, 210 days, and hardly if you can calculate 5 hours a day, you will have almost 1000 hours. Roughly it will be 1050 hours. That means you are having 1000 hours of study. Now in this 1000 hours, how can I prioritize myself? So is it 7 months sufficient to clear the Gate exam? Now my dear students, you can be from CSC department, you can be from data science, or you can be from electronics communication, or you can be civil mechanical or electrical. Now in this case, first you have to identify the subjects which are very high weightage. So in this, before understanding, if you see computer science, a student who can write computer science can also write data science paper. So first give high priority to the subjects which are common in both data science and computer science, like DBMS, or if you talk about the algorithms or C and data structures. And now if you see in civil and mechanical, for mechanical you should give high importance to thermal manufacturing. And for ECE you should, or electrical, the common, for instrumentation also, the common subjects like signals, networks, digital and control systems, almost from these 4 subjects you will get 35 marks. But let me tell you, whether it is civil, mechanical or any other branch, the common subjects like engineering mathematics and aptitude. From engineering mathematics you will have a weightage of 13 marks, and from engineering mathematics you will have 13, and from engineering aptitude you will have 15 marks. Now if you see the qualifying mark for Gate, it will be roughly around 30 marks. So here you have to understand that just by reading maths and aptitude, you name any branch, you will be almost qualified. Now you have to identify the subjects which are of high weightage, so that with minimal subjects, how you can clear with very good marks. But at the same time you will give. Now we will discuss this in detail. Now see students, when I said sir, every day you should put some small work. Suppose if I want to complete the subject control system, if control system has 6 chapters, so every week you can complete 2 chapters, or every 3 days you can complete 1 chapter. So you have to divide the large work into a small chunk of work. For that you have to create a study plan. In these 3 days, can I achieving this target of completing that subject? So you have to monitor in that way. So clear priorities you have to keep in mind. So some students might be from EC or electrical, they might be studying EMFT, which is very tough usually, and they'll spend, and the weightage might be lesser. But in this case, similarly, if you are from civil, they might be giving high priority to steel structures, but the weightage in Gate is less. So identifying the high weightage subjects is also very important, my dear students. Now studying for longer hours. Now see students, studying for longer hours, you require some motivation. So it is not a Gate is not just an exam. It is an exam based on concept. So here, for this concept to be clear, your basics should be clear. How your basics will be clear, sir? If you start learning from the basics to the extreme extent. Suppose if you are starting numerical methods, if you want to learn a method called Newton-Raphson method, if you are very good in differentiation, And if you know all the formulas of differentiation, then Newton-Raphson method is very easy. Or if you know about the Taylor series, then Newton-Raphson method is easy. So you have to understand what are the prerequisites required. If you can prepare in this way, definitely you will have high chances to get into IIT or PSU. And again, I am telling you, my dear students, these 7 months, if you can, there might be some students who have joined early, but how to overcome this is just by proper planning, just by giving more efforts and more consistent and doing more motivation so that you can study for longer hours. The maximum important thing which I have told you, attack high weightage subjects. Any branch, sir, engineering mathematics you have to prepare. Aptitude, what you have gone through your until +2, that will also help you. Identifying the high weightage subjects from EC like networks, controls, signals, or if you talk about the subjects like digital, if you are from mechanical, you identify thermal. If you are from civil engineering, geotechnical, transportation and environmental. If you are from computer science like TOC, computer architecture, computer networks, operating system. But students who are writing CS and DA, first give high priority to the common subjects. Now see, the first one is giving high priority to the core high weightage subject. And the next important thing is when you are solving the PYQs, what are the frequently asked questions? Keep an eye on the frequently asked questions because solving PYQs will definitely help you. And so you have to also test yourself. And if frequently asked questions are more, then try to solve as many questions as you can. Now, as I told you, important thing, my dear students, in GATE, this is one of the important formula we always tell to students, whether it is formula sheet, short notes, but this is the one important thing where you can cross almost 40% of your marks in any specialization. So solving PYQs is very important, sir. Just by solving PYQs, you will not end up with good result. Solving PYQs with the key pointers, what you have learned from that question. So that is very important. So if you see here, you have to see the which question is recurringly observed or which concept is recurringly they are occurring, and prioritize the which value, prioritize the formulas which are asked mostly, and practice. Definitely, if you can practice in a proper and an appropriate way, definitely you can cross the border. Okay. Now, my dear students, see, reserving the final weeks for revision. Wherever you name any competitive exam, mama, revision plays a very important role. First, we will do for 4 months. In the 7 months, 4 to 5 months, you will do the core learning. What is core learning means? In a GATE means, if you see in our in the one-to-one mentorship, we have core learning means we'll create a study plan. In this 5 months, how to complete the syllabus and how to study the high weightage subject. Next, coming 2 months, sir, you have to concentrate on the tests. So as part of this, IMS is providing an all India mock test series. It will be replica of the GATE environment, and we have tests chapter wise, subject wise, and multiple subject wise. So we test you in every portion. Means how is your chapter priority, how is your subject confidence, how is your multi-subject confidence. Then you will go for the all India mock test. So if you do this kind of mock test analysis, after performing the mock test, the most important thing is the error analysis. So what you went wrong, what went correct, how the weakness can be converted into strength. That's why we at IMS Gavin Academy, for almost every branch, we are providing 130 plus tests on an average. Now, my dear students, the study plan what for longer hours definitely will help you. So usually what you have to do is to study longer hours, 3 hours or 4 hours you have to prepare the conceptual, and 3 to 4 hours you have to prepare for what, sir? Problem solving, especially PYQs. In that 3 hours, don't make too many subjects in a day. At least prioritize 2 subjects a day. That will definitely help you. So clear daily targets, as I told you, weekly milestones, monthly milestone, and after 4 months, where do you stand? So that is why we at IMS GATE Academy are providing a one-to-one mentorship, sir. In this mentorship, we guide you the entire monthly plan. We will create a study plan and where do you stand, and after performing the test, how do you stand? So these kind of mentorship guidance will be provided by the IMS GATE Academy. Now, my dear students, always remember consistency will beat intensity. So most of the students who are joined, they might not be consistent, and at the same time, they will think initially very good. But in GATE exam, to be successful, consistency will definitely help you. So always remember, sir, studying every point in a conceptual way will definitely help you. And the most important thing, my dear students, if you are still not decided yet to start GATE, then you have to take the call. You have to start the GATE exam preparing for. Why? Because let me tell you, sir, GATE is not only for M.Tech in IITs or it is not only open the doors for public sector companies. Even if you want to get into the good private jobs, especially into the product-based companies, sir, usually in the campus placement, we have written test, technical interview for product-based companies. The students who are qualified for GATE, definitely they have the higher advantage because GATE acts as a kind of certification, and the interviewer knows that if a student has qualified for GATE, is technically sound. And even in the written test, to perform better through the preparation of GATE, you can clear that exam and you can get into the product-based companies. Now, my dear students, we at IMS GATE Academy are offering the offline GATE coaching at Bangalore Jayanagar Center and Malleshwaram. We are providing the offline GATE center at Vijayawada. And remember, my dear students, we are providing the online GATE coaching. It covers around 600 plus hours of sessions. We provide 130 plus tests, and it includes all India mock tests also. And we provide the most important one-to-one mentorship. So overall, my dear students who are late, don't regret it. It is the time to motivate yourself and start preparing for GATE. Once again, I'm telling you, GATE will help you to get into PSUs, to get into higher education, and it also opens the doors to get into the product-based companies. I hope this video will help you. Thank you.